magandang gabi na naman dito sa covered court ng Barangay Balay-Tige. Nandito na naman tayo sa isang umaaksyong labanan between the TFC at ang mga kalaban nila ay ang Legend. Practice muna ng Team TFC Warriors. Warm up. Nasa kabilang side naman ng matinding kalaban ng ating Legend. Kaya ito yung mga tigabong aksyon. Ang mahigpit na magkaribal.
Both teams first five, pasok na po.
Mayora, Monkey Woman.
Referee Carlo Pastor. Referee Jess.
Lapas. Just lapid yan.
Lapis kayo dyan, TFC sa kabilang isa. Jump on the play, Samson and De Los Santos.
Yes. Electo.
Picture muna, picture. Ulit ang referee for this game, Jess Electro and Red Carlo Pastor. First ball possession nakuha ng TFC. Conhe. Basket agad. 2 points para kay Sevilla number 13. Here's Dastas. Didiskarte para sa kanilang koponan. Dastas signaling to his teammates, looking for someone. Dastas pass to Plata, shot clock winding down, 14. Plata to Pisigan from the left wing, wala. Samson, there's a whistle, foul. Number 19, 29. 2 shots for Samson. Ginto, first personal foul. First team foul. Sablay. Second try. Basket, split charity. 2-1 ang ating score. Conhe with the ball. Conhe. Pass to Ginto. Perimeter jumper, wala. Tapigan ng bola na ko ni Sevilla. Balik kay Ginto. Wala pa rin. Rebound, De Los Reyes. Pass to Plata.
Bumigay ng kamay.
Injury timeout tayo, injury. Ang aga niyan. Sapo. Pisigan inbounding to Dastas. Balik kay Pisigan. Plata. Fadeaway jumper, wala. Good back up by Petero. De Los Santos. Pass to Sevilla. To Conhe. Conje, Sablay, rebound by Samson, pass to Dastas. Intercepted, Conje, pass to De Los Santos. Sablay, rebound De Los Reyes. Another turnover, Conje, wala. Rebound by Samson, pass break play, here's Pesigan. Up and away, basket. 3-2, lamang ang Legends. Yan, tama yan. Mag-score ka muna, BJ. Conje. Ginto, opaque, and a shot. Sablay. Bola, na kay Samson. Another pass break. Here's Bisigan. Basket again. 5-2. 7 minutes and 20. De Los Santos, Sablay, rebound, Petero wala. Foul number 17, De Los Santos. Pisigan with the ball. To Plata, intercepted. De Los Santos accelerating. May whistle tayo. Anong hatol? Sir, anong hatol? Foul number 88. Petero, wala. De Los Reyes gets the ball. Pisigan to the Stars. Extra pass. Here's Plata. Basket, 2 points. Sige po, sir. Conje. Trying from long one. No good. Ball is loose. Nakuha ni Conje again. Wala na naman, rebound by De Los Reyes. Pisigan. Dastas to Pisigan. Wala, rebound De Los Santos. Pass to Ginto. Ginto, extra pass. Petero, 2 points. 7-4. De Los Reyes from downtown. Timeout TFC. 5 minutes. Back to the ball game. Bola na kuha ni Samson. To Dastas. Dastas, ball intercepted by De Los Santos and a whistle, foul. Number 8. Ayan na po, si Mr. Laparan. 2 shots for De Los Santos. First try, wala. Second try, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni De Los Reyes. Bastas, pass break play, intercepted by Bacual. Pass to Espinelli.
Tira pa rin!
No good. And a whistle. Substitution. 4 minutes and 40.
Nada sa maliliit naman. Ano ha?
Plata will bring down the leather. Pisigan with the ball. Shot clock at 15. De Los Reyes. Turnover. Substitution. Sablay coming in, replacing Plata. Basket by De Los Santos. 4 minutes exactly. 10-6 ang ating score. Pisigan in trouble. Same ball, shot clock at 12 seconds. 12 to shoot. Substitution. 12 on the shot clock. Ball intercepted by Bakwal. 3 minutes and 30. Here's Petero. No good. Same ball. Same ball. De Los Santos from the corner. De Los Santos 3. 10-9 baba sa isang kalamangan ng Legends. Bola na kay Samson. Pass to the Stars. And a whistle, foul. Number 24, Espinelli. The Stars. Airball. Ngunit nandun. Basket by Tinamisa, number 15. 2 minutes and 30. 12-9. Still in favor of Legends. Bakwal with the ball. Bakwal sa gilid. Wala. Pass break play. Here's Pesigan. Basket. 2 minutes and 10. Bakwal to Espinelli, to De Los Santos. Turnover. 1 minute and 55. Samson, balik kay Sablay, to Pesigan. To Sablay, shot clock down to 15. The Stars, no good. Saves the ball. Nakuha ni Sablay. No good. Sablay muli. Basket by Sablay. 16-9. 1 minute and 20. And there's a whistle. Foul number 2, Pesigan.
Time out pare.
1 minute and 14. 2 shots for Petero.
Pare.
1 minute and 14.
Pare, time out ka.
Sablay ang una. No good pa rin. Samson. Pass to the Stars. The Stars. Sablay. And there's a whistle. Foul number 20, Petero, pushing foul. Substitution. Isang minuto na lalabi, reverse shot, wala, nakuha ni De Los Santos. Ito si Buhay. Buhay in trouble to Sevilla. Espinel. Foul number 17, 45 seconds. De Los Santos to Petero. Same ball, 39 seconds. There's another whistle. Number 15, tinamisan. Warning for penalty. Sa gilid, Sablay, rebound by De Los Santos. No good. Shot clock off, 23 seconds. Ball intercepted by Buhay. "15 seconds. 10 seconds. Ball intercepted. 5 seconds. Anong hatol, sir? Basket ka, foul number 15.
Basket!
Bonus shot para kay Bakwal. Wala na tayong oras sa first period.
0-1-2.
Sablay. 16-11 ang ating score. Kanila po, kanila. TFC ball, TFC ball. Nandyan na sa loob ang idol ko, si Mr. Laparan. Petero to Laparan. Ginto, elbow jumper. Sablay, rebound by Samson. Pass to Zacarias. Zacarias, lose control. Ball intercepted by Laparan. Bakwal. May whistle. Foul number 22. Samson, first personal foul. 2 shots for Ginto. Substitution. Samson out. (16-12). Pisigan with the ball. To Plata. Dastas. Dastas 3. 19-12. Petero. Running shot, wala. Nakuha ni De Los Reyes. Jump ball, bola ng Legends. Dastas. Dastas sa atake. Sablay. Labaran. Pass to Petero. Petero. To Ginto. No good. Tap the ball. Makuha ni Bakwal. Sa gilid. Wala. And a put back by Conhe. 19-14. Pisigan, slowing down the tempo. Pisigan with a steal. Here's Pisigan. Backdoor play, Bauyon, and a whistle foul. Number 41, Bakwal. 2 shots para kay Bauyon. No good for the second throw. Sablay pa rin. Laparan gets the ball. Laparan. Pass to Bakwal. Pull up jumper. Wala. Nakuha ni Bauyon. Pass break to Dastas. Dastas. Extra pass to Pisigan. Sa gitna. Plata to Dastas. Basket. 3 minutes gone by. 21-14. Conje. Petero. Tuginto. Whistle. Foul. Number 10. De Los Reyes. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Ginto. No good. Second try. Basket split charity. 21-15. Pisigan. SK 15 yan. Plata. Basket. 6 minutes and 10. Bauyon, pass to Pisigan. To Plata. Good ball. May whistle tayo, foul. Number 52. Bauyon. $23 lang yan, SK. 23-15. Laparan. No good. Rebound. Bauyon. Foul. Number 20, Petero. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Pisigan. To De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes sablay ng rebound by Laparan. Laparan. There's a whistle. Foul number 2, Pisigan. Substitution. Buhay coming in. Replacing Petero. Pisigan, dalawa. Substitution. Bauyon out. Samson in. 5 minutes exactly sa ating first half. No good. Turnover. Bola ng Legends. Samson will bring down the ladder.
Ano gamit ko? O dito pa. Sa first one.
3 points. (26-15). 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Bakwal, sablay. Timeout Legends. 4 minutes exactly. 20-15, 11-point lead para sa Legends. Pesigan. The ball is loose. Bola nakuha ni Buhay. Pass to Ginto. Basket, 2 points. Samson, balik kay Sablay. Here's Sablay. Kick out pass to Pesigan. Traveling violation. Umangat ang pivot foot. Bakwal with the ball. Pass to Buhay. To Espinelli. To Labaran. Sa ilalim. Basket, 2 points by Ginto. 26-19. Sablay with the ball. Pass to Dastas. To Plata. No good. Rebound by. Ito si Sablay. Basket, 2 points. 28-19. 2 minutes and 40. Bakwal. Labaran, balik kay Bakwal. Shot clock down to 12. The ball is loose. 8 to shoot. 3 points by Ginto. Sablay to Plata. 2 minutes remaining. Pesigan. Basket long 2. 30-22. Espinelli. Laparan. 15 on the shot clock. The ball is loose. Timeout TFC. 1 minute and back to the ball game. 30-22. TFC ball tayo. One minute and 35. Espinelli. Shot clock winding down. 14 to shoot. Bakwal. Basket using the glass. Samson. To Tinamisan. Dastas. 15 to shoot. 1 minute remaining. 10 to shoot. No good. Bakwal with the ball. Intercepted by Sablay. No good yon. Ginto. Pass to Espinelli. Buhay. Lose control. Bola nakuha muli ni Buhay. Intercepted. 35 seconds. Ginto. Basket, 2 points. Timeout Legends. 20. Back to the ball game. 29 seconds remaining sa ating first half. 29 seconds. Bola ng Legends. 29 seconds. 5 seconds differential. Traveling violation. 25 seconds. Substitution. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Espinelli. Basket. Shot clock off. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. End of the first half. Back to the ball game. Change goal. Third period. Bola ng TFC. TFC ball po tayo.
Oy, hindi match. Mamaya yan.
De Los Reyes to Dastas. Dastas. Tight guarded. Pass to Plata. Plata. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 17. De Los Santos. Second personal foul. First try. Basket. Second try, basket again, 2 for 2. Sevilla. Tupitero. Tulaparan. De Los Santos, drop pass. Petero, wala. Tap the ball. Nakuha ni Sevilla. Petero, De Los Santos. Sablay pa rin. Petero gets the ball and a whistle. Foul number 10, De Los Reyes, holding foul. Second personal foul, De Los Reyes. Petero, balik kay Laparan, reverse shot, wala. De Los Reyes gets the rebound, pass to Dastas. To Plata. Zacarias, basket. 34-29. 8 minutes and 30. De Los Santos. To Laparan. Sevilla. Balik kay Laparan. Shot clock down to 15. Here's De Los Santos. Floater shot, basket. May injury.
Tingnan natin sa CCTV.
Warning. Team Legends for resentment to a non-call. Bola ng Legends, galing basket. Pesigan to Dastas. Plata rejected, get his own. Pesigan, sablay. Bola nakuha ni Plata, spinning, fade away, ngunit wala. May whistle tayo, foul. Foul by number 16, Petero. Petero, foul. Number 16.
Metero.
Sablay ang una. Score po natin 34-31. SK. 31 na yan, 31. Substitution. Timeout Legends. 7 minutes and 30. Back to the ball game. Petero. Sevilla, pull-up J. Sablay, rebound. Anong pito? Foul. Number 17, De Los Santos, tatlo. Traveling violation. Substitution. Pasok, sir. Backwall in. De Los Santos out. Basket nullified. May traveling tayo. Petero bringing down the ladder. Petero signaling. Pass to Backwall. Sablay. And a rebound by Quinto. Petero. Ginto. Bola ng Legends. Dastas. Pass break play. Intercepted by Petero. Here's Petero. No good. Ginto. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 8. Dastas. Second personal foul. 6 minutes remaining. Ginto, basket, 2 points.
Dapat sapatos.
Here's a fast break play. Pisigan. Basket. Labaran. Pass to Ginto. No good. Rebound. Bauyon. Sevilla gets the ball. To Ginto. To Labaran. Foul. Number 9 Labaran, offensive foul. 5 minutes remaining. Dastas. Pisigan. In trouble. Ball intercepted. Shot clock down to 12. Pisigan Sablay. Rebound by Backwall. Backwall trying from long one. Backwall Sablay. Samson with the ball to Dastas. Dastas running in the middle. Extra pass to Bauyon. Basket. Here's Petero. 4 minutes exactly. 39-33.
Time out kayo.
SK 33 na yan. Ginto, wala. Here's Dastas. To Pisigan. Ball intercepted by Sevilla. Pass to Ginto. Ginto running. May whistle. Foul number 10. Time out TFC. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. All game. 3 minutes and 33. TFC ball tayo, TFC ball. Bakwal. Tubuhay, balik kay Bakwal. Foul. Number 47. Warning for penalty. Number 47. First personal foul ni Sablay. Warning for penalty. Act of shooting daw po, kaya merong 2 shots. Both teams warning for penalty. Basket split charity. 3 minuto. In trouble but there's a whistle. Foul by number 02. Buhay, penalty. Buhay. First personal foul ni Buhay. Sablay ang unang pukol ni Zacarias. Ready for the second throw. Sablay pa rin. Bola na kuha ni De Los Santos. Bakwal. Pull up jumper. Sablay. Rebound by Sibilia. Pass to Buhay. To Bakwal. Bakwal. Here's Sibilia. Buhay. Same ball, last touch. Substitution. 2 minutes and 25. Bakwal inbounding. To Buhay, balik kay Bakwal. Bakwal no good. Rebound, Bauyon. Zacarias. Extra pass, turnover. Dalawang minuto. Bakwal, pass to Buhay. Same ball. Shot clock down to 15. Bakwal, extra pass. Samson gets the rebound. 1 minute and 30. Plata. Sablay. Rebound by Lapanan. Pass to Espineli. Labaran. Pass to Bakwal. To De Los Santos. Basket. 2 points. 1 minute and 10. Zacarias to Samson. Pass to Sablay. May whistle. Foul number 02, Buhay. Penalty. 56 seconds. Buhay 2. Substitution, Dastas in. Zacarias out. 39-36. Tama po, tama. Second throw. Basket, split charity, 56 seconds. 40-36. Buhay. To Espineli, intercepted by Bauyon. Counter steal by Labaran. Labaran, extra pass. Here's De Los Santos using the glass. Wala. Tapping ka ng bola. Nakuha ni Dastas. Here's Dastas running. Accelerating. Guarded by De Los Santos. Dastas. Pass to the back door. Bauyon. Extra pass to Sablay. 3 seconds violation. 29 seconds remaining. Here's Buhay to Bakwal. To Buhay. Balik kay Bakwal. Pull up J. Basket. 2 points. Shot clock off. 18 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Dastas no good. End of the third period, 40-38 in favor of Legends. Balik tayo sa ating aksyon. Bola ng Legends. Fourth and final period. Next game natin, Discoverer versus Jasper TV. Senior Division. Dastas. Extra paso, Samson. Luwag na luwag. Basket. 42-38. De Los Santos. Tubuhay. Slowing down the tempo. Shot clock winding down to 15. Bakwal. Elbow jumper. Sablay. Rebound by Dastas. Here's Dastas. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 02, Buhay. Blocking foul. Buhay tatlo. Mamaya na sir. Naibigay na po ang bola. Rebound by De Los Santos and there's a whistle. Foul. Number 15. Substitution. Petero in. Sino papalitan sir? Espinelli. Number 15, Tinamisan, tatlo. Buhay. Buhay. Tubakwal. De Los Santos. Sablay. Rebound by Samson to Tinamisan. To Pesigan. Pesigan. No good. Rebound by Petero. Petero. Bringing down the leader. Petero. Laparan. Basket. 2 points. 42-40. Dastas gets the ball. Pass 2. Ball intercepted. Nakuha ni Petero. Buhay. To De Los Santos. Rejected. Nakuha muli ni Buhay. To Bakwal. Shot clock down to 12. Bakwal. Sablay. Rebound by De Los Santos. Petero basket. Deadlock at 42. 7 minutes and 48. Tinamisan. 2 points. Balik kalamangan ng Legends. Dalawa na lang po, boss.
Sabla parang.
Ball intercepted. Ito. Pisigan, balik kay Dastas. Good ball. Nakuha ni De Los Santos. Pass the ball to Bakwal. Bakwal, atake. Extra pass. Petero and a whistle. Foul. Number 10, warning for foul out. Substitution, Quinto in. Both teams, tigalawang timeout na lamang po. Basket ang unang bukol ni Petero, 44-43. Basket again, 2 for 2, deadlock at 44, 6 minutes and 53. De Los Reyes running, intro ball, same ball tayo, same ball. Tinamisan, Dastas, swing the ball, De Los Reyes, Nagaw yun, ipisigan, intro ball, Dastas. Kaninong bola, sir? TFC ball. Substitution, Plata in. 6 minutes exactly. Petero. Sa gilid, Bakwal. Sablay, rebound by De Los Santos. And there's a whistle. Foul. Number 22, Samson. 2 shots for De Los Santos. Samson, 2. Sablay ang unang pukol. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Basket split charity. Samson, balik kay De Los Reyes. Pass to Pisigan. To Dastas. Dastas. Foul. Number 41, Bakwal. 2 si Bakwal. Samson, 2 points. 5 minutes and 30. Petero. Ginto. Basket. And a foul. Foul by number 88, Plata. Bonus shot para kay Ginto. Plata, 2. Bonus shot for Ginto. Sablay. Ginto gets the ball again. Wala pa rin. De Los Reyes. Plata. To Samson. Basket. Yes po, basket po yun. Pass break play. No good. 5 minutes exactly. (51-47) ating score. Sige, sir. And still right there. Pass break play. Bakwal to Petero. But Sablay. Eto. No good, but there's a whistle. Foul. Number 2. Timeout TFC. 4 minutes and 40. PC. Back to the ball game. May 2 shots tayong nakabitin. Para kay Bakwal. Four minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 4 minutes and 40. Sablay. Basket split charity. 51-48. Here's Samson. Ball intercepted. Nakuha ni Sablay. De Los Santos, fast break to Bakwal. Basket, 2 points. 51-50, isang puntos ang lamang. Sablay. Intro ball. Anong pito? Foul number 02, Buhay. Buhay, 4. Third team foul. Plata, 4 na minuto. Rebound, De Los Santos, pass to Buhay. Buhay, to Bakwal. Ginto, there's a whistle, foul. Number 52, Bauyon. Bauyon, 2. 2 shots for Ginto. Both teams warning for penalty. No good. Basket. Deadlock at 51. 51 all. 3 minutes and 45. Bauyon. Looking for his teammate. Ball intercepted. Nakuha nila parang fast break play. Bakwal. Basket. Time out, Legends. Lamang. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Bola ng Legends. 53-51 in favor of TFC. Dastas to Bauyon. Balik kay Dastas to Bauyon again. Bauyon. Bauyon in throw ball. Pass the ball to Sablay. Basket, 2 points by Sablay. Deadlock at 53. De Los Santos to Bakwa. Ginto. Basket, perimeter jumper. 3 minutes exactly. Sablay to Bauyon. Bauyon. Pass to Dastas. Turnover. Bola ng TFC. Labaran with the ball. Pass to Bakwal. To Buhay. Buhay, shot clock at 15. Labaran to De Los Santos from the corner. Wala. Nakuha ni De Los Santos muli. Basket, 2 points. 57-53. 2 minutes and 20. Another steal. Turnover. Substitution. Substitution. 2 minutes and 11. Legends with the ball. Plata, lose control. Bola. Eto, Ginto, basket. Timeout, Legends. 59-53. 6 na puntos ng kalamangan. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. 2 minutes and 2.
Last two.
Zacarias inbounding to Pisigan. Last 2 minutes. Zacarias. Ball intercepted again by Labaran. Still by Pisigan. Pisigan to De Los Reyes. Sa gilid. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakuha ni Labaran. May whistle. Foul. Number 10. De Los Reyes, 5 fouls. Penalty. One minute and 37. 1 minute and 37. Basket. Second throw. Sablay. Samson with the ball to number 47, Sablay. Drop pass. Pisquito to De Los Santos. Using the time. To Laparan. Shot clock winding down. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Zacarias to Sablay. Pass for play. No good. And a rebound by Buhay. Isang minuto. Labaran with the ball. Labaran. Pass to Buhay. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. De Los Santos. Basket. 2 points. 40 seconds. Dastas to Pesigan. Sablay pa rin. Pesigan. No good. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the ball game. TFC Warriors wins. Final score 62-53.
Para
Player
championship.
of the game, Bakwal.
Parang championship na eh. Parang championship na.
Next game, warm up na po. Discoverer versus Jasper TV.
Taka na rin to eh. Kay Janel, kay Janel.